Salt. Mahatma Gandhi picked up salt during the salt satyagraha, and times have changed since then. Salt became synonymous to shaking the foundations of an entire empire. And since that day till today, salt has been epitomized by industry in a different way altogether. Today, every company which manufactures salt is trying to prove that their salt is superior to the competitor's salt. Some companies tend to prove that their salt is absolutely harmless. Some tend to prove that their salt is healthy. And some even go to an extent to prove that even their toothpaste has salt in it. Now, salt has been a product which has been homogeneous all the while, yet every company is trying to prove that their salt is different. Every company is trying to say that there is value proposition in their salt. This is what we call marketing. Just like a kitchen is incomplete without salt, business is incomplete without marketing. And hence it's important for every entrepreneur to understand the relevance of marketing to market their own products or services. So what are the ways in which we can actually market our products? The first thing that you need to do to market your product well is to use social media. Social media today is available free of cost. With tools like Facebook and WhatsApp, you can reach out to millions of people across the globe. The second thing that you can depend on is word of mouth. Well, it's always a great idea to talk about your products and services every time you meet people. This way, you are actually manufacturing and at the same time marketing your products on the go. The third thing you can really work on is attending social events. Now, every state in India celebrates so many festivals. This is a great opportunity for us to market our products and our services because it's also available at very less cost. The next thing you could perhaps do is to also participate in roadside events. A small tent is all you require, a few free samples, and hey, people get to know about your product just like that. It's a small investment, but it's a worthy investment. And last but not the least, because we are in a digital era, you can also make use of website. So build your own website, create your own identity, and use that as a platform to talk about your products and services. Because the world deserves to know that you're coming up with something unique, something which can help them become better or use it for their own requirement. These are some of the tools and tips that you can use for your own business and market your products effectively. So what are you waiting for? Get back to your dream book and make a note of some of these questions. How will you market your products effectively? Perhaps when you find the answer, you shall arise. Keep winning.